Heavy duty range crane, our 10-ton telescopic unit.
This is the latest truck-mounted crane to come in from Korea into the heavy-duty construction industry. We've got big heavy-duty legs mounted to this beautiful 6x6 truck. We've got 28 meters vertical with a 10-ton winch lift next to the truck. It will also give you 25 meters horizontal reach, lifting a load of just over a ton. Top seat, elevated control operation station. I'm Robbie Weir from Lift and Shift Equipment. If you want one of these babies, come to me.
It comes with 4 heavy-duty stabilizers, ensuring that it's got the stability to work at its full radius. Also has the ability to connect and disconnect an aerial basket. This unit has the ability to load and unload 10 tons. It has a 28 meter vertical reach